Sunday, April 4th, 2021. Beautiful day today, guys. Be great to get out and do some work. Happy Easter to those who celebrate and to those who don't. Today, just got some light work. It involves the outdoor water faucet. But let me take you back to last year to show you what I experienced when dealing with the spigot here. So I'm going to turn off the water, take the handle off and the stem out. Maybe there's some debris. Then I'll go back inside, turn the water on, maybe, oh shit. What the hell? Welcome back. So what I'll do is take the plastic off, take the paper out the faucet, turn off the water, then I'll take the parts out, lube them up, then attach the garden hose, timer, get my adapter, and the hoses. Hang tight. Okay, so here we go. Give me a second. I do this, I realize it gets corroded and stuff like that, so it's good to take the stem and parts out, lube them up, and stuff like that to get it to working properly. Now it's time for the packing nut to come off. Simple so far. Now that I loosened up the packing nut with the channel locks, should just be able to do this by hand. There we go, see? Comes right off. Easy. I actually used the wrench to turn the stem, so I should be able to turn it by hand. There we go. Nice and easy. I don't know if that's a good sign, water coming out like that, but in the past, it was difficult for the water to come out, so I don't think there should be any water now, but who knows. It's nice to see that this isn't bone dry. And the parts seem to be, they don't seem all corroded, and it didn't seem like there was too much condensation building up, but I'm still gonna hit it with the WD-40. Dry them off, then lube them up. Packing nut has some gunk in it. I cleaned it out, but I don't think it was gonna be much of a problem. So let's spray them. Do a better job at spraying this stuff. I'm just giving you an example. That's all. I won't spray any WD-40 in the spigot. I'll just I don't want it getting into the water, so, but this should be good here. So spray the whole entire stem, packing nut, screw, handle. All right, let's turn it on. There we go. There we go. That's how you know. You hear that? You know it's a great sign. Watch this. That's it. And then what I'll have to do to get the water to run. Oh, I don't like this. This isn't good. Is there something wrong with this line? Maybe so. But I have to turn this on manual to get the water to come out. So this is its own little shut-off valve too. This thing is horrible. There's still water coming out every which way. I'm gonna take it off. So I just got this hole, so I decided to turn the water on and let the water fill the holes and stretch it out so I could wrap it around the hose hanger a lot better. All right, guys, I tried out the meter one more time. It's not working out. Leaks too much. I might just pick up something a little better than this. This hose doesn't leak, but sure it leaks in other spots, but I didn't want it leaking from here, so I'll just keep these two for now. This one is gonna go, and that's gone. Meanwhile, I have my hose is connected now. I won't completely abandon this. I'm gonna figure out something. Maybe some sealant for it in the future. I don't know. All right, I'll go with this. I'm done. I'll get another meter some other time. You guys take care. Bye.